I'm Tony.
And I'm Louise, and we're here to talk about how switching to a heat pump can save you money and save the planet at the same time.
The science is clear. We need to act now to fight global warming. The combined effects of soaring temperatures, rising sea levels and biodiversity loss have created a climate crisis that affects us all. Urgent action is needed, and it's needed now.
The UK government is committed to reaching net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2050. What does this actually mean? It marks the end of Britain's contribution to carbon in the atmosphere. It's a huge step in the right direction, and we all need to play our part. In order to meet the UK's target of net zero by 2050, switching to sustainable energy is critical. That's why Daikin is leading a heating revolution to help people reduce their carbon footprint.
And don't forget, you really can be kinder to the planet and also kinder to your pocket. Switching to energy efficient systems will make big differences to your fuel bills. With energy prices set to stay high and knowing that fossil fuels have an environmental cost too, we're all looking for practical ways to address the problem. This could be the answer you've been searching for.
So let's take a look at how Daikin solutions can help. How much impact would a switch to an air source heat pump have on your carbon footprint and your fuel bills?
The fact is, a heat pump could really help you bring down your energy bills. Take an average-sized 3-bedroom home in the Midlands of the UK. Swapping from a fossil fuel boiler to an air source heat pump could save you up to £251 per year compared with gas. That cost saving goes up to £378 compared with oil, and as much as £915 compared with LPG. A 4-bedroom home with a heat pump could save even more compared to these fossil fuels, being over £1,000 a year cheaper to run than LPG.
But that is just 1 year we're talking about. What about the lifetime savings that could be achieved? Let's say your system lasts 15 years. That's the expected lifetime. The total savings over that time add up to almost £3,000 when compared to a gas boiler. £2,979 to be exact. And that's taking everything into account, from the initial purchase of the system to the installation, maintenance and running costs. Those cost savings get even more impressive when you compare them with oil, an amazing £6,645, and you'll save as much as £9,143 compared with LPG. A 4-bedroom home would save nearly £12,000 if using a heat pump instead of LPG.
And how about reducing your carbon footprint? Well, we've put all the numbers into our Heating Solutions Navigator, and the reports are pretty incredible. Swapping to an air source heat pump could reduce your carbon footprint by 1.51 tonnes per year, compared with gas. Compare it to other energy sources and the figures get even better. You'll save up to 2.35 tonnes compared with oil, and up to 1.76 tonnes compared with LPG. For a 4-bedroom, the carbon output of heating a home with a Daikin heat pump compared to an oil burner is nearly halved. And that's before you even consider fitting solar PV panels and signing up to a renewable energy tariff from your supplier, which could of course make a huge difference to both your costs and your environmental impact.
These are potentially incredible reductions for British homes. To give you a frame of reference, it's more than you'd save if you gave up driving your car. It's more than you'd save if you stopped eating meat and went vegan. And it's more than you'd save by cancelling that annual long-haul flight. The lifetime savings are also pretty mind-blowing too. In excess of 22 tonnes over a lifetime compared with gas, 35 tonnes compared with oil, and 26 tonnes compared with LPG.
We hope that's put the power of a heat pump into perspective for you. In effect, having a heat pump installed does more to reduce your carbon footprint than giving up a car. And the cost savings will make a huge difference to your household budget. Switching to a heat pump is just one of the steps we can take towards creating a better future for our planet. Together, we can be part of the climate solution. To find out more about our current offers, visit daikin.co.uk.
To learn more about our sustainability efforts, please visit daikin.co.uk/sustainability.